In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete sections in Google Forms. If you've ever reorganized a form, simplified a survey, or decided a block of questions is no longer needed, deleting a section is a quick way to clean things up. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, plus a few tips to help you avoid surprises. First, open your Google form. You can access it from your Google Drive or directly from the form's homepage. Either way, make sure you're in editing mode so you can make changes. Once your form is open, take a moment to scan through it and identify the section you want to remove. In Google Forms, sections appear as separate cards with a section title and any questions that belong to that part of the form. They're often used to break your form into pages, group related questions, or control branching with Go to section based on answer. Now, scroll to the section you want to delete. Before you remove it, double-check that you've selected the correct one, especially if your sections have similar names. Deleting a section will remove every question inside it in one go, so it's worth confirming you're targeting the right content. When you've found the section, look to the bottom right corner of that section card. Click the three vertical dots, the More Options menu. This menu is specific to the section you're working with, not the entire form, so changes here apply only to that section. From the menu that appears, click Delete Section. As soon as you do, Google Forms will remove the section and all the questions contained within it from your form. If you're working with branching or page-by-page navigation, keep in mind that deleting a section may affect the flow of your form. After deletion, it's a good idea to quickly review any Go to Section settings on earlier questions to make sure everything still points where you expect. If you deleted the wrong section by mistake, don't panic. You can immediately use Undo at the top of the editor, or use your keyboard shortcut to undo to bring the section back. Acting quickly helps ensure you don't lose any work. That's all there is to it. Open your form, scroll to the section you want to remove, click the three vertical dots at the bottom right of that section, and choose Delete Section. With this simple process, you can keep your form organized, accurate, and easy for respondents to navigate. Thanks for watching, and happy form building!